Hello, this is Teresa Wagger with PremierDesignWebsites.com, and today we're learning how to add a YouTube video to a WordPress web widget or on a WordPress website too. Anyway, so you have your YouTube video that you've done that's really great. You want to add it to your website, but you don't want to add it in the middle of a blog. You want to add it to a sidebar, or in this case, it would be called a widget for WordPress. So let's go back and look at our example here. Here is the website that we're working with, and we don't want to put it in here in the blog post. We want to put it on the sidebar like this one is here. And this actually consists of two components. It consists of the actual video here, and then I added a link at the bottom to that website or to that video so that it would be more clear what to click. So you can either click this or you can click the play video, and both of them will get you to the same place. So let's show you how to do that. First, you need your video. So we're going to go here. So we have our video ready to go. One of the things that you need to know to be able to take that video and put here is how wide is your sidebar? How wide is the space that you're going to put it in? This one is 350 pixels wide. You can play with this. You can try out, let's say, I would start somewhere around 200. Usually they're at least that wide. But you can try a 200, and if it's too short, try 300. But and if you know how to get into the code, you can see how wide it is. So I would just try things if you don't have the code access. So we do know that this one is 350 wide. So here's our blog or our YouTube video. Here's the actual video. I'm going to scroll down a bit here. Under the video, you can see about, share, add to. We're going to click on share. And the first share this video is how you would put it out on social media or how you send it out in email. We are interested in the embedding part. And you can see here it says iframe, and you'll see this a little bit when we go to the actual dashboard and find it. It tells us our width of and then the video, and then it's embedded. And the things I care about here are the width number, and then this little number here that is after the word embed, because we use that in our link. Okay, so right now it's 420 wide, and that's not going to work for us. We need 350. So you can see that's not on our list. So I'm going to make a custom size and just type in 350. And you can see how that shows up in the code. It shows up width equals 350. Okay, so we're going to keep this. We're going to save. We're going to copy, select, and copy the entire iframe code here. Now let's go to our WordPress website, to the dashboard. We're going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to come to Appearances and then click on Widgets. Now, one of the things I love so much about WordPress is the fact that they have these great tools called text widgets. And if we scroll down a little bit here, we have a text widget. If we'd like to add a brand new one to our sidebar, we can do that. But you can see I already have one set up here that says text. So if I wanted to add a new one, I would just slide it over there and start from there. But I'm not going to do that today. So we'll take that off. So here's our text widget. And we gave it a title. We called it Video Corner, which you can see. Whoops. You can see right here. It says Video Corner. That's our title. Okay, so now we're back at our dashboard. And if you look here at the old one, you can see it says iframe and gives the information. So I want to go from iframe to iframe. I'm going to select all that. And I'm going to click delete. And then I'm going to click, I am going to paste. Well, we're going to paste, right click and paste. And now we have our new iframe, and it does say 350. Now below that, you can see I have a little more HTML, and I did center it with a div align, but I put a link to the YouTube embed and then play video. And I'll put this underneath this actual video in the comments so that you can also have this code to be able to include for your own widget. So what matters to me now, you can tell that these numbers here do not match these numbers. I want to copy these numbers at the end of the embed here. I'm going to place them here. Okay, so you want these two to match. You want this to match. It says www.youtube embed, and then those numbers, and then www.youtube embed, and then these numbers here. You need those to match so that when you click on play video, it goes to the same video as you had in YouTube. Okay, so this is a little more complicated than normal. It adds an extra line to your actual video so that it says play video as well. So we're going to not forget to click save. Always click on save. So let's go back to our actual page here. This is the old one. I'm going to click refresh. And there's our new one. It's a little bit taller this time. And you can see it says play video. Okay, so that gives you the information that you need to be able to add a video to a widget in WordPress. So now we have this new widget here, and we can click on play video and it will play it, or we can click on the actual video and it will play it as well from YouTube. All right, folks. That's it for today. We've learned how to add a YouTube video to a WordPress widget. This is Teresa Wagger with PremierDesignWebsites.com. Have a wonderful day.